So imagine that you're a homeowner or a shop owner. You have always expanding energy needs, but the power doesn't scale with you, nor does it move with you. What if you require a solution that is simple, robust, and scalable? A solution that does not tie you to your power grid or to your switchboard. This is Unity Infinity. This is a portable energy storage system designed to move with you on the go. The first thing you can see about the system is that it's extremely scalable. This setup here is designed to deliver 5 kilowatt hours of energy, but you can carry every single unit with you. This is a unit of 1 kilowatt hour and take it with you wherever you move. The second thing about the system is that it's extremely simple to use and operate. All you have to do is plug it in with your solar system on the back side and then connect your AC power outlet to this front side, and it'll deliver power seamlessly. The third thing about it is extremely scalable, which means that this unit can be replicated multiple times to fit your energy requirements. Now an interesting fact about the system is that it is designed to be operated in a hybrid configuration, which means that regardless of whether your grid is present or not, whether you have solar or not, your system can seamlessly transition between on-grid and off-grid modes. This means that you carry your energy independence with you using this system. For more details, call us on the number below. Thank you so much for watching.